functions which already were under query? Are they the same vouchers? Or you are talking about the subsequent year? Because for you to simply sign and say, okay, the issue is signing, I have the signature, why must I sign? That does not answer the query, in my opinion. So I feel, Mr. Chairman, that the query still stands.
So that question I asked you will be the only way you can get your neck off from the news. Who is that person in the Secretariat who has sucked your powers and made it off with 7 billion shillings? Rightly or wrongly, but the procedure used is certainly wrong. Just tell us that, then we move on. If you're not, then it rests on you.
So I'm always, because you cannot be explained. If I'm not doing this, and my signature must be on any payment. If the payment is effected without my signature, then that means there is a manner of it. Otherwise, this would have caused harm.
Even the people whom I brought here to cushion you are accounting officers, and they know it. That if it requires a signature of a cow to be on any loose minute or water before payment is effected, so be it. Unless if you want to be a Jesus to pay the cross on behalf of those who obtain the 7 billion, we have no problem. We shall take it in that.
What is the law?
I think we can check the documents and submit to you.
Me, I'm more interested in name.
Yes.
Tomorrow before 10, I want the name and the secretary to come. I say a lot of guilt to your face. Yes. Mr. Chairman, I have one an accountant before.
I'm saying now that we are meant to pay 200 shillings per year. And ever since that we went to this agreement, as approaching now, all the other approaching papers to ambition. The money is already, but no one has approached us. All that is approached to see. And a note from Wilson Banga saying we defaulted. We never defaulted. We never defaulted. And besides that, I don't want to go deep into this. They presented a forged land title. If you look at it, you said it's wrong. But it's in court.
I think maybe one month ago, there was planning among the labor commission, and Dr. 50, and actually, as a result, those were